We must start this video with a warning. This procedure must only be applied when the aircraft is established on localizer. It is really important to note that a negative vertical speed is selected with FCU altitude above the aircraft altitude. Aircraft will continue to descend till the time descent is arrested by glide slope interception. It is important to remember that, unless localizer is engaged, glide slope will not engage. Crew may be high on approach due to multiple factors. Management of aircraft energy becomes really important and critical. Intention of this procedure is to get the best decent gradient, not the best vertical speed. Remember, best decent gradient, not the best vertical speed. Since the aircraft is coming for approach, speed must also be kept in check. Prerequisites: 1. Landing gear. 2. Select flaps as required, at least config 2, to ensure aircraft speed should not increase. Before discussing the procedure, we must also address the use of speed brakes. Speed brakes may be used during the procedure, keeping VLS in mind. Now you can see the procedure on screen. When cleared to intercept the glide slope, the flight crew begins by pressing the approach push button on FCU. Confirm that the glide slope is armed and that the localizer is engaged. Continue to monitor the aircraft's vertical path as it starts the interception. Next, set the FCU altitude above the current aircraft altitude. This prevents any unwanted alt capture during the descent. Then, select vertical speed mode with an initial rate of about 1,500 feet per minute. Avoid using a VS greater than 2,000 feet per minute, as this may cause the speed to increase toward VFE. Using the VS mode ensures that the auto thrust remains in speed mode. Throughout the descent, closely monitor the rate of descent and the airspeed to ensure VFE is not exceeded. Once GS engages, set the go-around altitude on the FCU. This completes the procedure. We hope you're enjoying the videos on our channel. Please subscribe, as it really helps us stay motivated to produce more such content.